But now this image here is a stock image that Hostinger pulled in, and it's not representative of the toys that we make. Let's click the background section, and then click Generate Image in the floating toolbar. Go ahead and describe the background image that you want for your website. I like the general layout of this image, so let's generate something similar. I've asked for a product shot of durable, eco-friendly dog toys, with lots of negative space on the left side of the image and an array of dog toys on the right side. When you've added your prompt, click Create Images. Hostinger will process for a few moments and then show you some image options. We can click on them to see how they would look on the page. And I'll be honest, it didn't follow instructions perfectly. These don't look bad, but I'm not totally happy with it, so I'll click Create again. Hostinger created a new batch, and I think this one on the right is kind of interesting, so I'll click on that to see how it looks. And there you go. Again, you can do the same exact process with ChatGPT if you prefer that image generation engine. Back in ChatGPT, we still have our logo up. So let's click X to close out of it. Then I'll click Create Image, and I'll paste in the prompt. Again, we'll send it and let ChatGPT process. ChatGPT definitely did the best job of following the instructions, and the image looks really nice. So I'll go ahead and download this. I'll call it Intro Image, and then go back to the Hostinger tab. We'll click the background image, hit Edit Section, and then click Replace Image. Upload files, and then select the new intro image. Select it in the media library, and now the image has been replaced. We can click the X in the section settings pop-up to see how it looks. This looks really nice. You can follow the same process for any other images on your page. Just click on the image and click Generate Image, or click Edit Image to swap it out for something else.